This is a tutorial on how to set up drop-off ordering, or what some companies call outpost ordering. This is where orders can be placed now and picked up later, not at your restaurant or bakery, but at a designated drop-off location somewhere in the community. In my example here, we are a restaurant who has drop-off locations at 3 local office buildings that we've partnered with, and now there are many repeat orders every week. So how do we get started with this? So once you're logged into Socialvore, navigate to Store, Channels, and then the Drop-Off tab. You can start by clicking the Create New Drop-Off Channel button, and it will create a blank version of the example that I have set up here. So once you hit that button, it'll create your new drop-off channel. You can give it a name, photo, URL path, description, and then select one of your menus. It's important for when you're selecting your menu to click the appropriate pickup schedule that goes with it, because when you go into your pickup schedule settings, which you should have set up already, or a delivery schedule if you have online ordering enabled, because this is where you can set up the cutoff time to place an order and how far out you will accept orders and all the other settings here. So your drop-off will adhere to the rules that you have set up here. So in this example, somebody can't place an order past 10 a.m. on the same day, and we accept orders 10 days in advance. So the next thing you want to do is add a drop-off location. So we have one set up for each of the 3 office buildings in this example. So when you click that button, you'll get an empty version of this, and you'll be able to put in the name, the address, any additional information, and importantly, the hours. So what we have set up right now is our plan as the restaurant is to visit Big Bank Co. first every day. So before 11 a.m., we'll go and drop off the orders there. Then we're going to go to Cool Startup Co. and drop off their orders before 11:30. And finally, Audit Accounting Co. only on Fridays, since that is the only day that they want the drop-off orders to be available. So set up your delivery windows in a way that makes sense for however you want to have all of the items delivered. Now, how does this look to the guest? So at the URL path, they'll be able to go in and select their nearest outpost location. So for example, Big Bank Co. If I work there, I'd click on that, hit continue, and say, okay, I want my delivery on this day, and it'll be there before 11. And now I have access as the guest to the full dinner menu, or whichever menu you selected. They can go through, add things to the cart, all of the same e-commerce settings, and your other options still all go through. It's just like your online ordering, except instead of coming to the restaurant, you will deliver it to the drop-off location and they will pick it up there. And that's everything for drop-off outpost ordering.